free Bred Patent Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in Bred Patent Jordan 1s. This giveaway is going to end in February, so you guys have all month long to get your giveaway entries in here on the channel for the Bred Patent Jordan 1s in your size. Good luck. You guys show love to me, so I need to show my love back to the Moore family by doing sneaker giveaways. Bigger giveaways, and better content with giveaways coming here in 2022. I'm gonna be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube. Watch. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about these Jordan 1s that are on the rise. This pair of Air Jordan 1s dropped in price and is now back on the rise. Let's get straight into this unboxing. This sneaker has dropped in price in the past few months and is now back on the rise and will continue to go up in price. There's a lot of hype for this Jordan 1, a lot of demand for this Jordan 1, and this is still a sought after Jordan 1 for a lot of people out there. Before I show you guys the Jordan 1, I need to tell you guys where I got these from. I got them from Champions Kicks. Champions Kicks is a place where you guys can sign up for a membership to purchase hype sneakers just like this for a steal. Members get access to their exclusive restocks for well under market price. So if you're a reseller, you can go ahead and make money on these sneakers, and if you're looking for personals, you're gonna be paying well under market. Champions Kicks is having a huge restock on January 10th, this Monday. Some of the steals this week are going to be University Blue Jordan 1s for retail, Yeezy Beluga Reflectives for retail, Royal Jordan 1s from 2017 for just $250, Dornbecker Jordan 3s for just $300. The list goes on. There's tons and tons of steals from Champions Kicks going on this Monday. Champions Kicks restocks several times a month for exclusive sneakers just for their members only to get great, amazing steals. Make sure you guys check out Champions Kicks. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys go sign up for a membership. This pair of Air Jordan 1s on release day, the hype was there, the demand was there like crazy on release day. So if you sold them on release day, that was a very nice W. They did drop to around $400, $380, $400 in most sizes, and now they're back on the rise to $450, almost $500 in the bigger sizes. I don't see this sneaker slowing down. I do see them slowly increasing in price. This is a Jordan 1 you guys might want to go ahead and buy now. This Jordan 1 is extremely hyped. This Jordan 1 was one of the best releases, Jordan 1-wise, of the entire year last year. Let me show you guys the sneakers. The University Blue Air Jordan 1. Market did drop a good amount. I would say around $50, $60, and now it's going back up around what it was on release day, and in my opinion, very soon is going to surpass that $500 mark, especially in the bigger sizes. Smaller sizes right now around $400, and those will definitely see over $500, I believe, this year. I think 2022 is the year this sneaker continues to go up in price and continues to be more sought after and just more expensive. So if you don't own the University Blue Jordan 1s by now, I recommend buying them now before it's too late, because in 2022, these are going to be even more expensive. The University Blue 1s are back on the rise resale-wise. I see them easily hitting $650 without a doubt. In 2022, I do expect them to hit around $550. Right now, like I said, they're at around $450, so I definitely see them being another $100 this year. If you didn't buy them already, I think you need to go ahead and buy them now. If you had capital and you wanted to invest in sneakers, I think you should have possibly done it already, because the market is going up already on them, back up already. But I don't think it's too late for this sneaker. So I think if you want to still continue to invest, especially in bigger sizes and grade school sizes, grade school is going to hit hard when it comes to this University Blue Air Jordan 1. A lot of the expensive Jordan 1s used to go for around $200, $250. Start off there. They've now became $500 sneakers, just like the Obsidian Jordan 1. However, this time with this sneaker, they started off pretty high. On release day, they started off around $450, and they have dropped to around $380 to $400, and now they're coming back up to around $450, especially in the bigger sizes. I see them surpassing and being more expensive here in 2022. Make sure you guys go cop University Blue 1s before it's too late. If you want a personal, especially, you need to cop them now before it's too late, because you do not want to be spending $600, $700 when you could go spend $4. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys own the University Blue Air Jordan 1. Let me know if these are a must for you. Let me know what you guys think about that resale price. Let me know if you think they're going to continue to go up in price. And let me know what you think about holding on to this sneaker. I wanted to let you guys know that this Sunday, I will be leaving for Los Angeles. I'm going with some YouTubers. I cannot wait. Gonna film some crazy banger videos for you guys out in LA. I've never been to LA. It's my first time. I cannot wait. What a way to start off 2022. So please leave a comment down below. Let me know, bro, where should I go in LA? What sneaker stores? What food spots? What places do I need to go to when I'm in LA? I'll be in LA from this Sunday, January 9th, all the way to the 18th. I cannot wait. I'm gonna have videos scheduled to post throughout the week, so you guys will still continue to get content. And then when I come back, trust me, the bangers are going to begin, and I cannot wait. If you're excited for the new content coming here on the channel, the bigger content, the better content, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. One thing I really want to do here in 2022 is also grow my Instagram account. So if you guys could, please go ahead, take a second and give me a follow on Instagram. I'll have sneakers for sale on Instagram, fit pics, a bunch of all sneaker content over on my Instagram. So please make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. If you're subscribed to the channel, you might as well go ahead and follow me on Instagram too. Thank you guys for the love and support here on the channel. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. This year is going to be phenomenal. We're off to an amazing start here in 2022. Congrats to the last giveaway winner, Dylan. Shout out to you, brother, for winning the Cool Gray 11s. Constant giveaways here in 2022, so if you love sneakers and you possibly want to win a free pair, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. And here's one more thing I'm gonna do. When I hit 100,000 subscribers this year, I'm gonna give one person $1,000. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys run up those likes, run up the comments down below, tell me, Danny, we want a sneaker collection video. Please get to it. If you guys blow me up, let me know. I'll film my sneaker collection video. But I gotta see a lot of love for that. A lot of likes, a lot of comments. Hey, maybe some Instagram DMs. Blow me up. Tell me, you guys, the More family wants to see a full sneaker collection. Let me know. I'm gonna estimate my collection's worth anywhere from $20,000, $30,000. Personal collection. So I imagine you guys want to see that. Let me know. I'm not sure. Do you guys want to see my sneaker collection? I'm not sure. You guys gotta let me know. Don't forget to enter in the free Patent Jordan 1 bread giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the bread Patent Jordan 1s. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.